Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'll show you how to enter the same data into multiple cells at once. It's a great shortcut when autofill isn't the right solution. Let's get started. Step 1. The usual autofill method. Normally, if you type a word like management into a cell, you can copy it across a range using the autofill handle, that little square in the bottom right corner of the cell. Just click and drag to fill other cells with the same value. That works well in some cases, but what if you can't just drag down? Step 2. The problem with autofill. Take a look at this example. An employee list with names, hire dates, employee numbers, and departments. I want to mark everyone in the sales department, but they're spread out in different rows. Dragging with autofill won't work here, because it would overwrite all the cells in between. Step 3. The solution. Control plus Enter. Here's the trick. First, select the cells where the same entry should appear. For example, Stevie is in sales, so I click on their department cell. Then, I hold Control and click on Carola's cell. I'll also click Nancy's, Ronaldo's, and Charlena's. Now all the right cells are selected. I type the word sales into the last cell I clicked. Instead of just pressing Enter, I hold Control and then tap Enter. And there it is. The word sales is entered into every selected cell at once. Step 4. Another example. Let's do it again with communications. I select the employees who belong to that department by holding Control and clicking each of their department cells. In the last selected cell, I type communications, then I press Control plus Enter, and this time it works perfectly. Pro tip. If you forget to hold Control and just press Enter, it only fills one cell, so always remember to press Control plus Enter together. That's it. A fast and flexible way to enter the same word or number into multiple non-adjacent cells in Excel. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you'll be notified when I post the next video.